Our biggest philosophy is why do we do what we do and how can we do it better? We provide refrigeration cleaning in industrial cold rooms, hanging refrigeration units, and refrigeration units located on the roof, such as RTUs and air-cooled condensing coils. Not until we open them up, we can clearly see how dirty they really are. When these cases are neglected and not maintained, they will build up a large amount of byproduct in the case, eventually causing failure. Salmonella can develop from this, and dangerous bacteria could contaminate the food if this is not eradicated. We rely on our equipment and hot water to thoroughly clean. Our setup time is literally 15 minutes. We bring in our own evac systems to remove the water as we do the cleaning. It is very important for the entire coil to be clean so the heat transfer process can be maintained. One of the services we provide are coil cleaning for the walk-in coolers, such as dairy cases, walk-in meat cases, meat prep areas, produce walk-in cases, and grocery stores. We come in on a scissor lift and we drop the pan and clean from the inside out, making sure the pan and the sub-pan are completely clean. For cleaning rooftop coils, we use our van-mounted system. We access the units, we move all the filters. We clean the interior coils, which is the evaporation coils, and the exterior coils throughout the whole service. Our system has a 600-foot hose that allows us to reach any RTU on the roof from one single location. We developed what we call a coil cleaning sweep. This piece of equipment fits in the channel and has 10 sprayers. We simply roll it in the filter channel and roll it back, and the coil is extremely clean. Our technicians are highly skilled at the service they provide because it's the only service they provide. All we do is refrigeration cleaning. For more information on coil cleaning or refrigeration cleaning, you can give us a call or email us or go and check us out on our website.